So, good morning, students. So, I hope you all are well. So, now can anyone tell me what we had done in previous class? Any idea that what we had done in previous class? Yes. So, now here is some question for your clue. So, now tell me that I think you get idea from this question. So, now sandy soil has more infiltration capacity as compared to clay soil. Yes, so now it is true or false. Now you will give me the answer that it is true or false. Yes, I forgot to written here is true or false. So yes, so this statement is true. Yes, sandy soil has a more infiltration capacity as compared to clay soil. Yes, I already explain this term that what is sandy soil and how what is clay soil. Yes, how sandy soil infiltrate the how is in sandy soil there is a more filtration capacity with comparison to clay soil. Yes, so now here is the second question in front of you. So now you will give me the answer. So three example of groundwater. Yes, now you will give me the answer. Yes. So now here is first one is what? Hand pump. Second one is well or tube well also. Yes, these are also some example of groundwater. Yes. So now, yes. So now here is one image in front of you. Now you see this image very carefully and then tell me what you have observed from this video. I mean from this image. Yes. Okay, this one is a map of what? India. Okay, so what is you see what this map depict shows? Yes, yes. About rainfall, how much rainfall occur in occur in India? Like yes. So okay. So now here is the topic. So distribution of water in India. Okay. So how much water, where the water is, how the water is distributed in India. That how the water is distributed in India. Okay. So now India receives a lot of precipitation, rain and snow. In comparison to the other rest of the world, if we compare to the other world, other other countries, so our India receive lot of rain and snow. Yes, so the annual average of precipitation in India is how much? 1170, yes, millimeter, as compared to the world's average of 700 millimeter. It is so much distance from this. Yes, so this rain map, in previous we see that, so this rain map of India shows what average of rainfall in different parts of the country, like in different part of the country, like how much water is how much, I mean how much the rainfall is occur in different part, like there is a Jharkhand, Bihar, like in west there is a there is a Rajasthan, like in north there is a Jammu Kashmir, or we can say that in south we say see that there is a Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. How much rainfall is occur in our India, that is the that map is shows that. Okay, so yes students, so now okay, so now see here, students. So the based upon the Survey of India, map with the permission of the Surveyor General of India. So that so now second one is that the territorial water of India extended into the sea to distance of 12 nautical miles measured from the appropriate baseline, and the external boundaries and the coastal line of India agree with the record master copy certified by Survey of India. So these are some Survey General of India. So see in this map there is a, like in black, like Jammu Kashmir, like Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, there is a rainfall, um, रेनफॉल है वो 400, 400 से भी सेंटीमीटर से भी ऊपर रेनफॉल इस प्लेस में होता है. ओके, सो सी इन दिस एरिया 40 to 60, like we say that in Rajasthan area, see that part, see. Yes, now see in this area, see this area of Rajasthan, there is a 40 to 60 centimeter water is occur. Yes, and in this Jharkhand, Bihar, Odisha, these are some where the rainfall is occur above the 400. Yes, above the what, 400. And now see, like in Tamil Nadu, Kerala also there is a water, like there is a rainfall above 400. See this area. So this area, this map, so that's how the water is distributed in India. Okay, so now. So now here is one question in front of you. So the average annual precipitation in India is 1170 millimeter. So this one is a true or false? Yes. So I will give you 10 seconds. Yes. So this one is true. Yes. So now, yes. So now here is one image in front of you. Now you see this image carefully and then tell me what you see in this image. I will give you 10 seconds, and now after 10 seconds I will ask you that what you see in this image. I mean this, yes, this image. So yes, this shows that there is a water cycle management. Yes, water cycle management. Okay, dam, like water is collected in one huge or big tank. Yes, so these are the different ways of how, water collection or water management. Yes, so now, so yes, so now second one is water management. Yes, so it is the activity of planning or developing, distribution and managing the optimum uses of water resource. Yes, what is the water management? Management, we can say that this is a one activity in which we like plan that how to manage water, how to develop some things to save the water and distribute, managing the optimum uses of water resource. So it is a subset of water cycle management. Okay, so the water supply, like pipes leaking and a lot of water um, guessing out of the pipe are the wastage of water. Yes, we all know that the from pipe there is a lot of leakages also. Yes, so it is the responsibility of the civic authority to prevent such wastage of precious water. Yes, so who is the responsible for this in huge amount of water? If you see that, so there is some pipe also from where the leakage is occur. So the authority to prevent such water wastage why? Because the water is a very precious, so the mismanagement or wastage may also take place at the level of individuals also. Yes, like मैनेजमेंट वेस्टेज वाटर जरूरी नहीं है कि ये बिग, आप कह सकते हो किसी अथॉरिटी, किसी पावरफुल इंसान के पास ही है, ये एक इंडिविजुअल पर्सन की भी कभी कभी फॉल्ट हो सकती है कि लाइक हम भी उसे सही कर सकते हैं वेस्टेज ऑफ वाटर को। यस, अगर लीकेज हो रही है तो उस चीज को हम देख कर सही भी कर सकते हैं। यस, so now here is some other step which can be taken from the proper management of water as given. How do we manage properly the management? So there is a rainwater harvesting. We all know that the how the rainwater harvesting is done. Like in the roof, water is collected, rainwater is collected, then this see in this picture. Yes, from this the water is collected from this roof, then this with the help of this pipe the water is collected on the where ground. Yes, then what happened, now see there is a ground. You see in this like we can say the drip irrigation. Yes, so with the help of again the with the help of pipe the water is go I mean वाटर जो है वो पेड़ पौधा गार्डन को क्या कर रहे हैं, दे रहे हैं। ठीक है, तो इस तरीके से भी क्या है कि वाटर को मैनेज कर सकते हैं। नाउ देन बाउरीज, यस, बाउरीज इज देयर, देन ड्रिप इरिगेशन, दीज आर some techniques, or we can say that these are some ways from which we manage the water. ड्रिप इरिगेशन से भी बहुत वाटर बचता है। लाइक एक एक जगह जाकर के आप पानी दो तो उससे बेटर कि ड्रिप लाइक पाइप के थ्रू सी इन दिस पिक्चर. This is the example of what drip irrigation. Yes, so now I think you all are clear with the this that how the proper management is. We can take this some steps from to do like some proper do proper management. So now collect roof is called collecting of water on the roof tops is called what? Yes, yes, I will give you 10 seconds. Yes, very good student. It is a रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग. रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग में ही क्या करते हैं, जो वाटर होता है वो घर के आप कह सकते हैं रूफ से छत से क्या करते हैं, उस वाटर को कलेक्ट करते हैं. जब वो वहां पर कलेक्ट होता है देन वो पाइप के थ्रू क्या होता है, ग्राउंड में चला जाता है. यस, सो नाउ yes, so now here is some question in front, I mean some images in front of you. Not you tell me what you observe from this image. Yes, see carefully and tell me. Yes, so this one, first one is don't waste water, save water, save water, save our planet, use water wisely. So these are the what you depict from this, what message they give you. From what you get from this poster, what message? Yes, save water. Yes, so now here is some what role you can play in order to save water. So here is some points that how to what is our day to day life, how we conserve water, like the keeping the tap closed when not in use. Yes, this one is very normal in our house also. Like पानी का यूज नहीं कर रहे होते, टैप्स खुला होता है, टैप्स यूज नहीं कर रहे हो, और टैप्स को क्या करते हैं, लाइक हम ब्रशिंग कर रहे हैं या फिर कुछ भी प्रयोग कर रहे हैं तो जो पानी है वो खुला रहता है. बहुत जगह मैंने बहुत सारे ऐसे पर्सन को ऑब्जर्व किया. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो नॉट ए गुड मैनर्स ऑल्सो. यस, and second thing, we all know that water is very less amount in our present in our earth, so we all have responsibility to save the water. Yes, student, so चेक फॉर द ओपनिंग ऑफ लीकेज इन वाटर डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन पाइप. यस, जहाँ से वाटर डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो रहा है, लाइक जहाँ से आपका सभी जगह पूरे वाटर डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो तो वहाँ के आप लाइक लीकेज हो रहे हैं तो आप उस चीज को उस पाइप को आप लीकेज को जितने जल्दी वो बना सकते हैं. लेकिन घर पे भी आप टंकी है लगा हुआ बट कभी कभी होता है पाइप से लीकेज हो रहा है, तो दिस इज ऑल्सो नॉट ए गुड वे to see this all. So that makes you to collect rainwater for gardening or washing purpose. Like घर पे बहुत सारा washing purpose होता है, ड्रिंकिंग के अलावा भी गार्डनिंग में भी वाटर की जरूरत होती है, तो आप रेन वाटर के हेल्प से भी क्या कर सकते हैं, ये सब छोटे छोटे लाइक कपड़े धोना या घर के छोटे छोटे घर के जो काम है आप उस चीज में रेन वाटर को यूज कर सकते हैं. गार्डनिंग में आप उस चीज को यूज कर सकते हैं. तो बहुत सारे ऐसे चीजें जहां पर आप इस तरह से रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग जो हम करते हैं, तो रेन वाटर जो होता है उसको आप यूज कर सकते हैं। यस। So, so now always have a measure of how much bucket of water is wasted in a day and try to reduce. Yes, so this will see this point. This point is also very good for us. Like आप हम क्या करते हैं, बकेट पानी लेते हैं एंड आप ऑब्जर्व कीजिए कि लाइक कितने बकेट पानी हम एवरीडे यूज कर लेते हैं, और अगर ज्यादा करते हैं तो उसे कम करने की कोशिश करें। यस। लाइक अगर हमारा काम एक बाल्टी में हो जा रहा है, एक बकेट में हो जा रहा है, तो जरूरत क्या है 2 से 3 बकेट यूज करने का, तो इट इज ऑल्सो नॉट गुड। Yes, so do not run more water than necessary while washing and cleaning clothes, utensil, etc. Yes, so do not prolong your bathing. Go for quick shower rather than wastage of bucket of water. So these are some role of the water. So now here is the recapitulation. So at the end of the lesson we'll learn about the how to save the water. Yes, distribution management. Yes, so give two way to save the water. Yes, so there is a, like in your home there is any pipe which from which leakage is there, so you uh, must have to repair that pipe. Yes, like you also close that tap, so this way you also save the water. So now here is homework in front of you. So the make the chart or collage to show the importance of water and so not on water conservation. So this is your homework, so do your homework. So thank you students. Save water, save life, and save the world. Okay, so we will meet you in next, I mean next class or tomorrow.